I am back. So today I got my new gun. I could not unbox it because I didn't have time for that. And I got my blaster. And it comes with 5 red balls. What you do, and you got the aim. What you do is just put it, you see, this hole, put it there. Boom! And you can aim. Put it on your shoulder and aim. Plus, you can just put one ball, and then I'm going to shoot it. You want to pull back. Pull like that and leave. This is how it happens. Pull, leave. It makes a proper big sound. I had to do that because I was just over there. And yeah, so I'm going to do rapid fire on the iPad. Great rapid fire there. So we got the balls. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 5th? Where's the 5th ball? I'm excited crawler right now. Where is the 5th ball? Oh, it's just behind the iPad. So that was the cool air blaster. It works just on air. You hear that? It's air. What the air does is just pushes it off. And it shoots pretty far. I got this in India, as you know. The background, as you see right there, that's my friend's house. And the other one you see over there, where I'm pointing at, from this side. You see that other next to my friend's house? That's my friend's house. It's getting viewed on YouTube. They're gonna go crazy. Okay, so we're gonna do the last rapid fire to end this video. There's lots of noise there. This time I'm gonna shoot on the camera. I'm shooting on the iPad. And so yeah, as I told, we got 3 balls and we need 2 more. But as I told you, this is the end of the video. I don't have enough time, so already for 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So yeah. Oh wait. Woohoo! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!